I'm Evan. I'm with Symphony and Audio Foundry. We're hosting Hardware Meetup to talk about innovations in automotive audio and all the cool hardware that goes into it. Audio Foundry is a membership-based consortium. We're here to empower automotive audio engineers at the OEM level. We've got 2 huge, beautiful garage bays ready to go and help nurture those new innovations in automotive audio. We've got our newest member, Karma Automotive. They've come with a vehicle to show us what they're currently doing and sharing their ambitions for audio going forward.
If you have an ultra luxury car, you definitely want the ultra luxury audio experience. We're looking for the latest creative thoughts to come into the vehicle, and joining the Audio Foundry allows us to meet new companies, get new ideas, and hopefully introduce them very quickly into our vehicles.
Definitely here to enable some new experiences and things that haven't existed before. And by pulling new companies in and new suppliers in that may not be traditional automotive suppliers, we can help accelerate that and really force change in some of these areas where the change is really needed and has been needed for quite a long time. We'd really like to see you come in and use the space itself to hack the automotive audio problem with us. Thanks for watching.